We hope so. We're wrapped up for the year. So the General Assembly wrapped up what they adjourned for 2019. They did not pass a Farm Act, which was mostly anticipated. They did pass new congressional maps, but the set of judges will take a look at those new congressional maps in early December. And so there is a chance that based on what those judges rule on the new maps, that the General Assembly would have to come back. It's not likely, but there's a chance they would have to come back before the end of the year. They definitely have adjourned and will come back in mid-January to continue to look at budget items, but also things like the Farm Act, unfinished business from 2019.
What is your favorite Thanksgiving dish?
Oh, broccoli casserole. Easy.
Are you a turkey or a ham guy?
Both. I do not offend.
What's your favorite Thanksgiving dessert?
Pumpkin pie.
That's more interesting than the rest of this. That's going in there.
That's fine. I'm happy with it. I stand by any of those statements. Deviled eggs.
They're hard to fill, but they're easy to make.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Same thing.
Like making the stuff for deviled eggs is easy.
Yeah.
Getting that crap back in that half of an egg is how you tear them up.
Yes.
And then you have to eat them because you can't give somebody a torn up deviled egg. Pastry tube.
It's pretty dumb.
Just pro tip. Pastry tube.
What about the people that did like Ziploc bags?
Yeah, same thing. That's the poor man's pastry tube. You know why Ziploc bags don't work? Because if you make it a little thick, you will just tear through a Ziploc bag. It will burst on you.
I don't care. I don't use that.
Pastry tubes. It's pro. That's what pros use.
I don't do desserts or deviled eggs.
Deviled eggs rule. There's all sorts of different kinds of deviled eggs. You wouldn't think so. Everybody makes them a little different. All good.